everyone, so in today's video I'll show you how you can get rid of frizzy and damaged hair which may lead to severe hair fall. So first of all, let me tell you that there may be multiple factors that can cause frizzy hair, like poor diet, lack of moisture in hair, harsh shampoos or different weather conditions. So it's really necessary to give your hair proper moisture and diet so that they may remain healthy and strong. And hence here I show you the product that works wonders to repair your damaged and frizzy hair. It has argan oil, avocado oil and milk proteins as written on the packaging itself, which helps you achieve healthy and strong hair with lesser hair fall. This argan hair mask by Mama Earth is made from organic products and is completely chemical free, like there are no parabens or sulfates. It has tea tree oil which helps in unclogging hair follicles and hence nourishes the scalp by giving it adequate moisture. From the ingredients to the directions of usage, everything is mentioned on the packaging itself, which is quite convenient. So now let's start the application process. Start by dividing your hair into two equal halves, and then I'm gonna give my hair a quick brush for easy and smooth application. Now let's open the mask, and that's how the consistency looks like. I'm gonna take a palm full of the product and apply it all over the length from root to tip. Apply a generous amount at the ends as they need more moisture, and emulsify the product completely into your hair. Now I'm going to take small sections one by one and apply it in sliding motions so that my hair are fully saturated and not a single strand left untouched. But make sure that you do not apply it on the scalp, just apply it on the overall length only. Now after it's done, I'm gonna twist this side and form a small side bun and fix it with the help of a section clip or a butterfly clip, or you can use anything you would like to use. And now repeat the same to the other side as well. This formula is quite thick and moisturizing, and as I mentioned earlier, it has argan oil which is proven to make hair softer, silkier and shinier, and hence it reduces split ends and promotes hair growth. Also, the tea tree oil in this product gives proper moisture to the hair, which is like a boon for dry hair and hence is often used as a dandruff cure as well. This product is dermatologically tested and is certified toxin free as it has no chemicals and made from pure organic products. So now when you're done with the both sides, you have to wait for 15 to 25 minutes to let it sit into your hair, and then you have to wash your hair with the sulfate free shampoo. And after wash, my hair has become so smooth and silky, and it feels like a feather and smells amazing. And you don't need to use any conditioner or mask, as this mask itself is so hydrating that you don't need any serum or any conditioner afterwards. This argan hair mask has made my hair so silky that no matter how much I try to keep it away, they keep on slipping down, which I honestly am loving about this product. There is absolutely no frizz and my hair feels like super soft and smooth. So if you have quite damaged hair, you should apply this mask like twice a week, and I'm sure you'll love it. You can get this product on Amazon, Nykaa and mamaearth.in, but if you order this from mamaearth.in, you'll get 20% discount by applying this coupon code. All the other details are in the description bar below, and I hope you enjoy watching. Have a happy new year. Bye.